In this video, we will understand how to delete a vertex at a particular index of the doubly linked list. So for the purpose of our understanding, in this animation, we will try to delete the vertex at index 4. That is this vertex. Means we start counting the index from 0, then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we are interested to delete this 4, that is index 4, that is 18. So the concept of deletion is very simple. We will try to understand with an animation, but before that, the main concept is, first you have to identify the node before, the node before which you want to delete, that is 90 in here. Identify that with pre, and the node after, or the vertex after the node which you want to delete, identify it as after, AFT. And after you identify these two nodes, that is which are in the right and left and right side of the actual node that you want to delete, then it's all about adjusting the previous and next pointer. So let us try to understand the entire process through animation now. So let me start the animation. So in the beginning, what you have to do, of course, there is a checking that if the list is empty, then you do not need to do anything. But in our case, list has lots of different things. So we are starting from the head node, and by means of a loop, in this case a for loop, we are traversing until we find the node which is coming in the just immediately before the node which I want to delete. So let us start this. So here it is 60, then it moved to 51 using this next link. Then utilizing the next link again, it moved to the node or vertex 2, and after that it moves to the next vertex which is 90. And after it moved to this 90, which is the node immediately before the one that I want to delete, that is 18, now I have to do some operations. What do I need to do? So I have to identify this node as pre, that is 90, which is the previous node of 18 that I want to delete. The next one is, you have to identify the 18 as del. Del stands for the node that I want to delete. And the node after with AFT, that is denoting the node right after the node that I want to delete. So here I have identified all the nodes. So the actual node that I want to delete, which is 18, is identified with del. The node immediately before that is identified as pre, and the node immediately after del is identified with AFT. So now it's all about adjusting the previous and next link of all these nodes so that we can just safely eliminate this 18. So what you have to do first is, you have to bypass node 18, and you have to this node pre node, that is 90, should start pointing 61, just bypassing 18. So here is the line of code, that is pre.next, that is 90.next, should start pointing AFT, which is 61, bypassing del, that is 18. So this is how it looks like. So 90 started pointing 61. pre started pointing AFT utilizing the next link of pre. Well, since it is doubly linked list, you have to take care of the previous link of this AFT node also. That is aft.prev, or the previous link of this node 61 or this vertex 61 should point to pre, that is 90. So that thing is also being done over here. And so now 18 is almost bypassed, and since 90 and 61 is pointing each other through their next and previous pointers respectively, now it is safe to delete 18 from the doubly linked list. And once you deleted 18, you are done with the process of deleting or removing the node at index 4. So this is how you can delete or remove a node or vertex or a data item at a particular index of a doubly linked list.